Your dream cruise is booked, but the luggage scale at check-in is about to destroy your plans. Don't pay overweight fees. These 9 clever hacks will let you pack smarter and beat strict 2026 weight limits. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're cruising in 2026, you already know luggage weight limits are getting stricter across airlines and at the cruise terminal. Today I'm giving you 9 powerful, battle-tested packing hacks that will help you maximize every single gram and walk onto that ship confident. Let's count them down from 9 to 1. 9. Wear your bulkiest items on travel day. Number 9. Wear your heaviest clothes and shoes on boarding day. That cozy hoodie, jeans, sneakers, and even your cruise jacket don't have to count toward your luggage weight. Layers are your best friend. You can always take them off once you're in your cabin. 8. Use vacuum compression bags. At number 8, high-quality vacuum compression bags. These things can shrink bulky sweaters, jackets, and towels down to a fraction of their size. Roll your clothes, seal the bag, and suck the air out. You'll save massive space and weight. Just don't overfill them or they can burst. 7. Choose lightweight packing cubes. Number 7. Switch to ultralight packing cubes and organizers. The cheap thick ones add unnecessary weight. Invest in the feather-light nylon versions. They keep everything organized while adding almost 0 extra grams. 6. Ditch the full-size toiletries. Coming in at 6, stop packing full-size shampoo, conditioner, and lotions. Buy travel-size containers and fill them with your favorites, or use solid shampoo bars and toothpaste tablets. Toiletries get heavy fast. This one change can save you over a kilo easily. 5. Use a digital luggage scale before you leave. Number 5. Buy a cheap digital luggage scale and weigh every bag at home. Do this the night before so you still have time to remove items. Knowing the exact weight takes away all the stress at the airport and terminal. 4. Roll plus bundle packing method. At number 4, master the roll and bundle technique. Lay heavier items flat, roll lighter clothes tightly around them, and bundle everything together. This method reduces wrinkles and uses space more efficiently than traditional folding, which means less overall bulk and weight. 3. Wear a packing vest or jacket with pockets. Number 3. Get a travel packing vest or a cargo-style jacket with tons of pockets. You can discreetly carry electronics, snacks, documents, and small items on your body that don't count toward luggage weight. Many cruisers swear by this hack. 2. Choose multi-purpose and lightweight gear. Second place, replace heavy items with multi-purpose alternatives. Think a sarong instead of multiple towels, a lightweight quick-dry towel, collapsible silicone bottles, and a microfiber beach blanket. Every gram you shave off counts. 1. The carry-on only challenge. And the number 1 emergency hack? Go carry-on only with a smart strategy. Use a lightweight 40-liter backpack or spinner bag that meets both airline and cruise carry-on rules. Combine it with wearing your bulkiest items and using compression. Many experienced cruisers now do entire 7-night trips with just carry-on. These hacks combined can easily save you 5 to 10 kilograms depending on how aggressively you apply them. Always double-check your specific cruise line and airline weight limits as they do change. So there you have it. 9 emergency cruise packing hacks to beat strict 2026 luggage weight scrutiny and start your vacation stress-free. The secret isn't buying more stuff, it's packing smarter. Which hack are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future cruise tips. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy cruising!